Hey, what's up everybody? It's Viktor. It's been a while since my last vlog. I took a kind of long break, sorry about it. And anyway, starting a new trip. I'm going to North Carolina, done, DUNN. And in this trip I have to stop at Bangor, Maine. I have ordered some parts on Rock Auto and using Connect. It's a free service which provides you US address and you can order any stuff on it. Anyway, some places are different and they charge you per package. So for example, I ordered a bunch of stuff on Rock Auto. It's gonna be like 5, maybe 6 boxes, and each box is like $3, something like that, and $3 per 14 days. After 14 days, each day is like $3 per box. So anyway, 2 weeks, it's more than enough for us to stop by and pick it up. So that's what I'm planning to do. And also I need to stop in Walmart, New Hampshire, to buy some stuff there. And that's it. The rest is just a go, go, go. So I'm already in North Carolina, stopped at the truck stop, and it's this far away from my delivery. My appointment for 6 p.m. so I will get there 5:30, something like that. More than enough. And for today I have left this much time. I don't know how long it's gonna take for me to unload, because I read reviews on the Google and it's terrible. People say it's like 6 to 9 hours to unload. Crazy. Rock Auto. So this is the full list of the parts I ordered, and it's everything for exhaust system, also separately catalytic converter, valve cover gasket, O2 sensor, and full set for the rear brakes on Honda. And here's everything. 2 boxes here. Also I have some boxes over here. So a lot of stuff. And this one is the red. It's a chair, foldable chair for the beach, $7 at Walmart. And this one, I don't know, I wanted this board. I'm not sure if I need it, but anyway, I got it. $15, extra large, supposed to hold up to 2,000 pounds or 200 pounds. We'll see. I will try to slide it. I got the door. It's super hot and humid outside, so this is what's happening. Woo. Some boxes on the bottom, a bit tired, but I checked the rest. As far as I can see, everything's standing. So anyway, it's on the bottom because of the weight, I think. We'll see how long will it take to unload me. Still green light. It is actually next day, almost 3 p.m. Still don't have a reload. I cannot say anything good about it. Yesterday at my delivery, it wasn't bad at all. Within 2 hours I left the place, so it was pretty quick. And I waited for payment to go through about 20, maybe 30 minutes, and they charge for unloading you. They charged me $2.35. So since then I went to truck stop over here. I don't know, it looks like I won't be out from here today, which is sad. It is next day already. I'm on the door, red light, and I'm in New Jersey. So they sent me all the way back from North Carolina to New Jersey empty, and the load goes to Mississauga. In total it was almost 2 days of layover, and unfortunately I won't be paid for that, because the amount I got on layover has been eaten by the miles I drove from North Carolina to New Jersey. it's kind of unfortunate thing with bulk. I think it's unfair in my opinion, but it is what it is. That's the policy. Got loaded pretty fast. Already got my paperwork. Less than an hour in total. Awesome place. First time here. Good to know. It's 10:30 a.m. and not the first attempt, but eventually they let me drop my loaded trailer, which delivers only at 7 p.m. this evening, so there is no point for me to wait for it. And luckily they found the napped trailer in another place. I'm going to pick it up and going to Kitchener for to load it, and that's it. Going eastbound, so all good. So I got loaded. It's a good news. It took only about an hour, but it's 4 p.m. so it's bad news. The traffic is already heavy and I have to cross all Toronto, so I think I'm gonna lose about an hour, maybe more, just in the traffic. This is my first delivery. Right now I'm in Lancaster, still Ontario. Gonna cross Montreal, Quebec City, and going over here. It's Rimouski. This is the address. And after that I'm going to Moncton, to Kilcolt. So it's 400 miles for now. So here's where I'm at, and it's like 3 hours to Kilcolt. I didn't film anything because of my windshield is a mess. I'm gonna wash it. I just stopped for my lunch and then I'm going to continue. I have exactly enough time to get there, and it's my weekly time as well. But after midnight I will gain 6 hours. Have a clean windshield, just enough time to get to Moncton. I hope no delay gonna appear. kill cold and I have 5 minutes left. It's now 11:30 and I even filled my reefer, which is good. And I think I'm gonna spend the night here. It's like 2 minutes to the truck stop, but it's quieter here with those reefer running. I'm quite far, so all good, but the truck stop, the trucks are running, so it's even quieter here. And they have a bathroom which I have access to, so pretty good. I'm gonna spend the night here. First time spending the night at Kilcolt. Almost full moon. I have some extra time in Moncton, so I came here. Track fit, the only one in Moncton. I almost forgot to finish my vlog, but better late than never, right? To be honest, I'm not a fan of this trip. It wasn't a good one. It was kind of so-so, and I had layover, but I won't be paid for that. As I told you before, it's kind of hard to explain how it works at bulk, but I think it's completely unfair, to be honest. It's not my problem that they cannot find me a load, but if they find me a load far away, it's better for them, because if they find the load after my layover close to me and it's less than 150 miles, then that way I will be paid in full. It's more than 150 miles, they will deduct that mileage from the amount from layover, and sometimes it's too far and layover completely gone. Anyway, so I left that Saturday and today is Saturday, so today is my 8th day. Kinda too long, even though I went to North Carolina. It's like, should be 1 day more, but not 8 days. Should be 6-7 days, not 8. Anyway, I'm home. That's it for this vlog. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you next time.